Junior course. Well done. What a great choice for you to make for your DofE skills. Now, the thing is here, we've got 12 videos, all super easy. Now, it depends on which level you're doing and how old you are and whether you've done any cooking before or not as to how it will pan out for you. Because within the videos, some of them have got 3 recipes, some of them got 1, some of them have got 2. So I hand it back to you to have a discussion with your parents, perhaps your guardians, to just consider whether you're going to do 1 recipe each week or whether in fact you might be a gold student and actually a bit older and you are about to leave home, and in fact you should be doing all the recipes within each grouping. Okay, so I'm going to leave that to you. Have a chat with me if you're not sure about it, but in principle it's 1 recipe a week. But I would be disappointed if the egg week, the brunch week, where it's all about excitement and protein pancakes, so there's hard-boiled eggs, boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, and then banana and protein pancakes. If you just did me a boiled egg, I don't think that will be enough for your DofE. So just, do a couple there or the whole lot, because you are going to learn so much, and if you're enjoying it, then go for it. So I think that's really what I wanted to say there. But so one video for each grouping, and then I suggest you watch it all and then work out what you're going to do. Hopefully you've got yourself a big fat folder, display folder, and then you can tuck all the recipes in and they'll go in nicely so that you have the recipe on one side and the self-assessment sheet on the other. Halfway through, it will remind you that at the halfway point you need to submit your recipes, and that's super easy because you can just open your folder up, ta-da, and then you can just get your phone, take a photo of the self-assessment sheet and the photo that you've taken of your food. Do remember to take the photos of your finished recipes. I shall be so sad if I don't see them. And it is a really important part of my assessment because I balance the photo of the food with the comments you've made, and it gives me a whole picture. I can tell so much about how the cooking journey's gone for you, and I can give you some really brilliant tips to improve if needs be, because it might not need any improving. Anyway, I think that's all from me. Watch the setting up of the kitchen videos and anything else that you haven't seen before, and maybe you've done one of my courses before and you know the ropes, and I don't need to say anything else. But really enjoy this course. You've got the recipes are alive. I think you're going to love it. Okay, bye.